Hello, I'm Brian, product specialist with Living Direct, and this is the EdgeStar 74 pint dehumidifier. This unit is capable of removing 74 pints of moisture in a 24-hour period. Now, the question you have to ask yourself is, where does that moisture go? You have two options with this unit. It can go directly into the internal reservoir, which will shut off if it was ever to fill up, so it will not leak on you. At that point, you could pull it out, it has a handle, take it over to the sink and drain it manually. Or you could set up a permanent direct drain out of the back of the unit. It'll gravity feed to the permanent drain option of your choice. Now, one of the nice features about this unit is when you reach your desired humidity level, it will shut off so you don't have to hear it running all the time. And another great thing is it's EdgeStar rated, so it will take it easy on your utility bill. So if you have any other questions on this unit, be sure to visit the product page on our websites or give our product specialist a call on the toll-free number. I'm Brian for Living Direct, and this has been the EdgeStar 74 pint dehumidifier.